iPad Pro 10.5 inch unboxing. Bear with me for just a second here. I am using one hand for my iPhone. There we go. So I apologize about the quality. Again, I'm using my iPhone. There we go. So what's inside the box? You get the iPad Pro, space gray, because, I mean, is that not the best color? Quick start guide, Apple stickers, we all love those, and USB cable, and of course the brick. Standard USB 2.0 lightning cable. I believe they offer USB 3.0 to lightning for a charger, but it'll speed up the process just a bit. So let's take it out of this packaging. So awesome. So here it is, space gray. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Not a whole lot of people have the space gray one, at least unboxing videos, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So here we go.